tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to make this beautiful top in less than 5 minutes. Okay, so what I have here is 1 yard of Ankara. So this Ankara is measuring 1 yard. Okay, so this is it. This is 36 inches. Okay, so this is 1 yard of Ankara, and then this is just 4. Okay, so this is 4 inches. Okay, this is 4 inches, and the length of this, if you have like 55, 52, it's okay for this belt. I'm going to join it together here. Okay, so I'll join it together and then flip it like this, and then create my belt like this all the way to the midpoint, and I'll fold this part also, do the same thing. Okay, all the way. I'm going to be leaving like 2 or 3 inches at the middle. Let's say 3 inches at the middle, that I'm going to use to turn it inside out front for this one. So for this one, I'm going to go ahead now and hem the 4 sides. Okay, I'll hem this side. I'll just fold like this. I can fold quarter of an inch and fold another quarter. I'll hem it all the way around. So I am done turning my belt inside out, and I touched it on the opening. Okay, and I ironed it. Okay, so now this is the fabric. I've hemmed the 4 sides. Okay, so now what we're going to do now is this is the side that is 45 inches, like it's 45 inches. This side is 36 inches. So by the time we're done, it's not up to 36 again. This side that is 45 inches, we're going to mark it this way. See, this is the wrong side and this is the right side. So I'm going to mark on the right side. So from this edge here, this sharp edge, I'm going to mark 2 inches. Okay, I'm going to mark 2 inches, and then I'm just going to use my rule to connect into a triangle like this. Do you see what I'm doing? Like this. Okay, 2 inches. Okay, so I'm going to repeat the same thing for this part, marking 2 inches from here like this, 2 inches. Okay, now I'm going to put my ruler and connect it like this. So after marking the 4 sides, here are the 4 sides. Okay, so now what we're going to do now is to pick this one, this 2 inches here, right, and pick this one at this side, down up. So I'm going to place it on top. So let this stop here. Let it stop at these 2 inches here. So I'm going to take it to the machine now and stitch it. Now this is the way I'm going to stitch it. Remember, we have lines here already, M lines already. So what I'm going to do is to follow this M line that I already have here, and then take it here. Hope you understand, like this. Okay, so this hem line now, I'll follow it and stop here. So the same thing I'm going to do for this one. I'll pick it like this on top, like this. Please don't let it cross. Okay, don't let it cross this line. So I'm going to take it to my machine now, and then this M line that we already have. So whatever you want to do, you might decide that you want this upper one to overlap the lower one. It's left for you. You might decide that you want the lower one to overlap it, so you're just going to stitch it like this. Okay, so now let me just take it to my sewing machine and do all of this. So, okay guys, so this is the clothes. I'm done, joining it. Can you see this part? Okay, and this part also. So I'm just going to show you how to go about the wearing. Okay, so okay, going to wear it this way, then so once you're done wearing it this way, you're going to take your belt, pass it here. Okay, pass it in here, and then we're going to drive it together like this. Okay, make sure you arrange it very well. So you could fold this in. If you don't want this line to show, you can fold it in like this. In, and then just create, make sure that the belt is equal here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and create a knot here. Just pull it together like this, and then so hold your belt like this, and then just create a knot right here like this. You could do anyhow you want to tuck it in. You're going to be having something looking like this, guys. So I'm going to just stand to the back. So this is the back view, and then this is the front view. So you can use this to rock a jean trouser and a turtleneck, or a sleeveless gown, fancy gown, bodycon gown, with anything. So let me know if you'll be trying it on the comment section. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.